Format Painter is a feature of Microsoft Office Suite which enables you to copy formatting from one item to another. Suppose you have written some text in a cell in Microsoft Excel worksheet and have it formatted using a specific font type, color and font size. Later, you want same formatting for another text in a particular cell in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Then, you could copy that formatting to another section of text by using the Format Painter tool. You can say that it is the copying and pasting method for formatting. You can use the Format Painter feature in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Outlook. So now in this video I will show you how you can use Format Painter feature in Microsoft Excel 2016. For this, open our Microsoft Excel desktop application. So suppose this is my Excel sheet over here and I have written some data over here. Now I want to keep the format same of this text like the text in this cell. So here I'll select the cell and select the option as Format Painter over here. So here I'll select this cell and under Home tab in this section clipboard I'll click on this option as Format Painter. Now you will be able to see this painter icon with my cursor. Now I'll go to this text in this cell and click on this cell. I'll wrap my text over here. So you can see the format of this text has been changed and it has taken up the font size, font color and font type automatically like the heading in this cell. So this is how you can use Format Painter feature in Microsoft Excel.
I hope you like this feature. If you have any issue using Office 365, please share your query in the comment section below.
Hit like, share, comment and do subscribe our YouTube channel
Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you.